Alright, so under the dash, here's the cord coming from the key cylinder, which is what reads the chip, and then here's the other wires going to the computer. So I just got to connect these wires to the resistor ohm ranger over there, and then we'll get started. Alright, so I got my set of ohm values here, and I've got it set to the first one. Actually, the first one, not the first one, but number 8, because that's what my buddy at work said it was going to be. So I got the battery hooked up. Let's see what happens.
He said to start it.
He did.
Well, it's something.
It's moving.
Daddy, I got my finger in the way. It slipped. We need to restart. We need to restart the video.
We got the next value set, so let's try it. Nothing happens. Alright, go ahead and just...
Somebody take a video of it, baby. Take a video of it, girl. Woo-hoo. What's all this smoke about?
It's probably just
I think we got Silver here. Oh yeah.
It's alive!
It's alive. That's what I'm thinking. I mean, remember, it hasn't done this, right, Jason?
4 years.
It hasn't done this in the last month or so, right?